So what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language with a simple syntax which makes it easily readable and extremely user and beginner friendly. Originally built to satisfy Guido van Rossum's desire for a programming language that is simple and use and beautiful to look at, Python was first released to the world in 1991. Since its development, it has grown to have widespread applicability for developers, data scientists, researchers, and more. Since Python is a general purpose language, it can be used in variety of applications, and its uncomplicated nature makes it an excellent language for automating tasks, building websites or software, and analyzing data. Python also has several other characteristics that make it popular amongst developers and engineers. First one, because it's easy to read. Python code uses English keywords rather than punctuation, and its line breaks help define the code blocks. In practice, this means you can identify what the code is designed to do simply by looking at it. The second one is because it's open source. You can download the source code, modify it, and use it however you want. The third one is it's portable. Some languages require you to modify code to run on different platforms, but Python is a cross-platform language, which means you can run the same code on any operating system with a Python interpreter. The fourth one is because it's extendable. Python code can be written in other languages such as C++, and users can add low-level modules to the Python interpreter and customize and optimize their tools. And lastly, it has a broad standard library. This library is available for anyone to access and means that users don't have to write code for every single function. They can access built-in modules that help with issues in everyday programming and more. What is Python commonly used for? So Python can be used for just about anything, from web and software development to machine learning and the artificial intelligence, or AI. So why is Python so popular? In addition to its relative simplicity to learn, there are a few other reasons why Python continues to consistently grow in popularity. These include its more productive compared to some other more complex programming languages like C++. Python syntax allows users to do more with less and cut down on time and effort to write down the same ideas, lines of code. It has an expansive supportive community of users. Even the best developers run into problems, and this is where communities can become an invaluable resource. Python has a huge community with documentation, tutorials, tips, and tricks to master the language. The Python community on GitHub, for example, offers everything from information on the latest version of the language to bug reports and update notes. Python has become the go-to language in academia, with some students even encountering Python as early as elementary school. Believe it or not, there are children's picture books dedicated to Python. While computer science students are often taught Python, its use extends beyond that discipline into other areas of STEM and academic research. For example, Python can be used to solve differential equations, perform statistical analysis, simulate and track particular diffusion, and more. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.